Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Oscar Zhang, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can probably see from the title, today's video is going to be an unboxing, and it's just a really quick snippet of what I got from the recent designer sales. Now, by the time I upload this, it'll probably be about 2 weeks after the sales have ended, just because I upload once a week and I've got a couple of other videos ahead of this that I plan to upload first. Now, it's a very, very small unboxing, so I'm going to make this really quick because it is only 2 items. And they're in this small little box here. Now, before I do though, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do hop over there and give me a follow. It would honestly mean a lot, guys, to me if you did, because if you do follow me on Instagram, you would have seen these items already. Now, let's get started. Okay, I didn't actually buy that much this time round from the designer sales because a lot of my money has actually gone into my closet, which is now where I am filming. So it's now become my working room, so like my office, as well as my filming room and my closet too. So I only bought a couple of things, and I've only purchased things that I wanted for like a really long time. So I have wanted a, well, I'll tell you like in a bit, but let me just get this. So this is the shipping, these are the shipping documents, which does have the price on it. Now I'm just gonna open the box up. When you go for sale items, this is from Net-a-Porter, so when you go for sale items from Net-a-Porter, they don't actually give you the option of signature packaging, which is what you get with, like, you know, the ribbon and the black box and everything. You just get your basic packaging in your brown box. So it does still come in tissue paper, and everything does get wrapped up still. It's the box is just not there. So I'm just gonna tear this off. Okay, I'm really excited about this, guys. It's like, it's really cool. Okay, so before I show you, I did want to say, what else did I want to say? Okay, that's right. So I've only purchased 2 items, so it's not a big haul, but I just wanted to show you guys the kind of items that you can still get from sales. They have really good deals. I never actually buy anything full price, so I only shop designer things when there's a sale going on, and even if it's not designer like Zara or something, I only go to their sales section. I hate paying full price unless there's like a huge urgent need for it. Otherwise, I actually don't buy it full price. So the first item that I got is this pair of spectacular shorts from Balmain. Now, it has it's high-waisted and it's got the amazing button detailing, the gold button detailing, which I think is so, so pretty. And it is ripped jeans, so it's distressed denims. And hopefully these are going to look really, really good on me. They are a size 30, or an Italian size, I think Italian size 42, which equates to a size 31, I think, for denim. So waist size 31 inches. I think it should fit me because I am a 31, but like, I mean, look at, like, I've shown you the detailing buttons, but it's got the 6 buttons on the front, but it's got the pocket buttons here, and it's also got like the buttons here too. Like, I think it's just so, so beautiful. I really, really like it, and it's really nice and thick. Now, the normal price for this, I think, was $1,090 and I got this for $690. So I got it for $300 off, which is about 30%. So it's not a huge discount, but I still thought it was a pretty good deal because I have actually been eyeing these for quite a while now. I've been looking at these for quite a long time, and I've just not seen it this cheap. So I finally pulled the trigger and went for this. Now, the next item is a pair of sunglasses from Saint Laurent. I didn't even get a box, I only got the case. So this is the case. It's just a leather case and it's just got this magnetic strip at the top that you just kind of like goes down like that. So opening this up and okay, so you do get quite a bit of documentation. You do get the authenticity booklets and stuff from Saint Laurent. I also get the glass cloth, which is pretty normal. And I have all of the sunglass booklets. So you get these with every pair of sunglasses, which just tells you like the UV protection and stuff. You get it with every pair. I got it with my Louis Vuitton, with my Cartier, get it all the time. So it's come in this packaging. I'm just gonna take this off. And wow, look at this, guys. Oh my God. Okay, so it's like chrome reflective sunnies. I think this is so pretty. Oh my God. Let me give you guys a close-up. So it's like chrome reflective. It's so nice. And it's like cat eye, really thin bands on the side with Saint Laurent there. Oh, okay. Wow, okay. Moment of truth. Let's see if this looks good. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, wow. I really like this, guys. Wow. Okay, so if you are Asian, you will know this, but with Asian faces, we're very round. So when we wear sunglasses, or regular glasses for that matter, our cheeks actually touch the bottom of the sunglasses, and it's incredibly annoying, especially if you're wearing makeup, because then you're just like starting to rub your makeup off here. But with this, it actually sits very high up, but not just high up, but it sits away from the face, like far out. So it doesn't actually touch my cheeks at all. That is incredible. I love these. Oof. Okay, I'm so happy about this. And I've needed a pair of silver sunglasses for like a year now. I've only got my Cartier sunglasses, and yeah, like whenever I wear like silver toned stuff, which I'd have something like I've got silver hardware in my bags, I've got silver hardware belts. It just doesn't look as good wearing it with golden glasses. So I'm really happy about that. Now for pricing, the sunglasses were $650 and I got them for $315. So I got those for 50% off. Like, how amazing is that? Okay, so that's all. I only got 2 items, so it's a very quick video. Got my Balmain shorts and my Saint Laurent sunglasses, and I think they're so pretty. It's a very small haul, but I wanted to make a video anyway just to share with you guys, you know, what was available, and I wanted to show you what I got from the sales. I never miss out on a good deal, and I feel like these were pretty good deals. So yeah, if you guys have been saving up, definitely keep your eye out for the designer sales that are going live, or that went live maybe like last month. Feel free to like jump in, guys, because it's pretty awesome. Anyways, I am going to sign off now because I wanted to make this a quick video and I ramble on and on, I know, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to sign off. All right, bye.